Today. My name's Eric. As always, I want to thank you for coming by to check out my video today. On this episode of Smo'King, I'm going to show you how to make easy Frito corn salad. Now we're in summertime, you know, people, myself included, barbecues out, grilled dogs, ribs, chicken. You have to have a side dish. And what do people usually do? The standby is, you know, coleslaw, potato salad, macaroni salad. I'm doing something a little different. I'm doing corn salad. So the star of the show here is 3 cans of corn. You can of course use fresh corn if that's in season as well. And believe it or not, we're going to top our little salad right before serving with a bag of Frito's chili cheese corn chips. I really like these things. We're going to spice it up. We're going to put a pepper, jalapeno, cilantro, red onion, mix it up with some mayonnaise. Man, it's going to be absolutely delicious and have that little different flair that's going to stand out from your old traditional, you know, potato salad, macaroni salad. So stick around, guys. I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. Let's get cooking. All right, we have all the ingredients laid out. The star of the show, 3 cans of corn, drained. We got 1 whole lime sliced up, some sour cream, a red onion, quarter red onion diced up, a couple jalapenos, de-seeded, deveined, chopped up green pepper, some mayo, cilantro, 8 ounces of Mexican cheese, and a bowl. Let's get busy. All right, so get a big mixing bowl. We're gonna put everything in there, mix it up, throw it in the fridge. So we're gonna start with 3 cans of drained corn. And like I mentioned earlier, we're not quite in season yet, but soon we'll have more corn that we know what to do with when we're at that point. People are selling it on the street. People are giving it away 3 or 5 for $1.
Oh yeah. Or free.
Yeah, or free. Yeah, I've gotten a lot of free corn too. Red onion that we put in there. And then we got a couple jalapenos that we deveined and de-seeded. If you want it more spicy, you can certainly add or keep a couple seeds in.
But I think this is...
But this is kind of like, you know, if you're going to a picnic or whatever, they say, bring a salad. Yeah, take all that stuff out.
The important thing is, though, to make sure that if you're going to use jalapeno and you don't want it too spicy, not just the seeds, but take the membrane out too. Yeah. Like use like a grapefruit spoon and scoop. That's what I do. Scoop it out.
Yeah.
So you just have the actual, you know, flesh.
Okay. Now we got what is that? 1 green pepper.
Yep.
Yeah. You can use a red, yellow, orange, whatever pepper.
Yeah.
It probably would be better if we had a red or orange because it would add more color.
Yeah.
But whatever. Green will work.
They didn't have it, so I was like, okay.
So now we got to put some liquid ingredients in, or kind of liquid. We got a cup of mayonnaise. And use the good mayonnaise, guys. We're using Duke's. Let's say Best Foods or Hellman's.
Oh, yeah. We always use Hellman's for other stuff, but...
I don't like cheap mayonnaise, especially on something like this.
I like Duke's too.
All right, so we're going to scoop all that out. Just to add a little twang to it, we're going to add some sour cream.
Like that.
All right. Next thing we're going to add is the sour cream here.
You can see it. There it is. Okay.
Oh, and look, you don't need to use sour cream. You can use all mayonnaise, but I think the combo is good.
This is going to be good.
And I don't even know why in the Midwest they call this a salad when you go to a potluck, because this isn't a salad. It doesn't salad have to have lettuce in it, I would think.
Come on, the Midwest doesn't know salad. Yeah. Come on.
All right, now we're going to put some cheese. We got a whole 8-ounce bag of the Mexican cheese. Yeah. Now we're going to squeeze the juice of one whole lime on here. Oh, there you go. All right, I think that lime juice just adds a little acidity to it to make it taste a little tangy. Ooh, I got a little squirt right there when you squeeze that.
I saw it go.
I felt it on my arm.
I saw that.
Okay, then we got some cilantro chopped
go.
up. We'll throw that on there. And now we got to get busy. Just mix it with a spoon, and we'll get it all ready to go. All right, it's been in the fridge for a little while. We're stirring it up, getting everything incorporated. So we're not going to be able to eat all this tonight. So we're going to take half of it out, and then we're going to basically take half the Frito chips and mix it with what we're going to eat tonight. Then we'll save the other ones for the rest tomorrow.
So I'd say maybe like...
Yeah, I think those chips...
half, maybe?
Yeah, if the chips like sitting here overnight, I think they're just going to get too soggy. So we want them crispy, so...
Yeah, you don't want to like put those in until the end. How's that? Is that like maybe half or... Because this is a wider bowl. Should I do more in the other or less? Sure. I'm trying to put it all in one spot so that
maybe a half a scoop. Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know.
No, I'm with you. I'm like, okay, maybe.
There we go. We'll put a cover in this. We'll put it in the
That's about
fridge. We'll take half a bag of Fritos. Be back in a minute. All right, we took half of the mixture out to save for tomorrow. We're gonna take half the Fritos chili cheese corn chips and put them in here. I'm gonna try to do half. Easier,
I'm trying.
Easier said than done.
I'm kind of squeezing it at the halfway part. So I think that's probably...
Yeah, you're probably right. It seems like you got at least half there.
There.
All right. Now get a spoon, mix it really well. Look at this, guys. Easy Frito Corn Salad. Kind of crazy. It's kind of like a Midwest thing, I think. Kind of like the hot dish in Wisconsin. It's just like, yeah.
Well, you can use this for anything, really.
You go to the church social or some kind of
football game,
charity
like
event.
Party.
Yeah, party, barbecue.
Anything, really. I mean, it's like...
Make this. All right.
It's just like, it's one of those like little side dishes that you have that everyone wants.
We'll scoop this out.
All right, there it is.
Give it a taste. Just a minute. All right, here we are. Dished out a couple individual samples here. Be back in a minute. Welcome back. I'm here with my wife, Monica.
Hi.
We scooped some out here, individual portions. Look, I like Fritos. I like the chili cheese Fritos.
My Grammy used to like those.
I like salads. Although I don't know if this could be considered a salad with no lettuce.
I think this is an unhealthy salad, but it still looks good and it smells good.
Oh, I like the crunch.
How does that work? The heck?
Oh wow, that really works well together.
Yeah, it does.
That crunch,
Wow.
creaminess from the sour cream and mayonnaise, a little bit of cilantro, the red onion. Wow.
How do you even tell people to give it a try because it sounds so weird? It sounds so weird, but it's so good.
Yeah, it's something different, guys.
It's got a balance of everything, really.
Yeah. And look, you could probably do a lot of variations of this. You could add ground beef, ham.
You could.
Green chilies.
Macaroni.
Macaroni, yeah, whatever.
Yeah.
Man.
You could really...
It is good.
But this is really good. Wow.
Look, guys, We were able to prepare this without firing up the stove, heating up the house.
That's a big thing.
Yeah, you're in summertime. It's hot outside. You don't want to fire up the stove.
We have a gas stove, double gas oven. Anytime I'm cooking, I don't like to heat the oven or the stove in the summer. It gets hot in here. But you know what? This is a great meal, or a side dish, I should say,
Yeah.
that you can serve up with anything. And it's really good. And it doesn't make the house hot. And you can take this to anything, like he said. Like you can take to the game day, you know.
Yeah, potluck.
Bring a dish, potluck, church barbecue.
Yeah, your
Anything.
neighbor's barbecue, whatever. You want to bring over something besides boring potato salad or macaroni salad? Try this. I think
Good.
this is a hit, man. Wow. I don't even taste the spiciness of the jalapenos. It's 'cause you took all the...
No, I did. I de-seeded the jalapeno, but you know what? I was nervous. 2 jalapenos. What are you talking about? It's gonna be so spicy. This is perfect. It's not spicy, but I de-seeded and demembraned the jalapenos. It's perfect, right?
Yes.
No zip.
Wow.
No zip. Actually, there's more zip in half the other recipes you make where I'm like, oh my gosh, this is mild. It's just to make everybody happy.
And look, I love potato salad, macaroni salad, but I also like this corn salad, I have to say. It's really good.
With the
It's
Fritos,
unique.
man. But don't put the Fritos in till the end.
No. Don't put the corn chips in until you're ready to serve it. You want to keep it a little crunchy. That's what adds to the texture of this. It's really good when you eat it.
Oh my gosh.
Got that little crunchiness from the corn chips.
And you can taste the cheese in it too. This is so good.
It's very good. Better than I expected, guys. Wow. Guys,
I don't even like to eat on
give
camera.
this a try. You get invited over to the neighborhood barbecue, church social, whatever. Give this a try. You will not be disappointed.
Oh my gosh, amazing.
As always, guys, I appreciate you stopping by and watching my video. If you like it, hit the like button. The logo here on my shirt is on the bottom of the screen. Click on it. It will allow you to subscribe to my channel. Please do that.
Yep.
Really helps us and our channel grow. And I'll leave a link also to my website, ericsmokingbbq.com as well. Go check it out. I have all my videos, recipes, the ingredient list, the whole thing. Go check it out. Man, I really like this.
Oh my gosh, this is so good.
Got a little bit of Mexican flair.
Good thing you halved it because I would eat the whole thing right now.
But think of all the variations. You can put like chicken, pulled pork in this.
Oh, yeah.
Mix it up, sausage. I mean, even
Yeah.
beef. I mean, whatever
You
you,
can do
want.
anything.
You can add
This
some
is like
protein.
a. This is. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah,
this
it's
is like
really
a.
good.
This is almost like a one size fits all. You can put anything in there, and it'll go. It will.
Yeah.
Oh, this is good. Okay, this is really a winner. Whew.
Yeah, I think it is too.
Wow.
Again, guys, thanks for stopping by, watching the video, like it, subscribe. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.